Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to perform your daily tasks or daily job on Delux. So if you come to your dashboard like this, you are going to see this quick link. So in this video I'm going to be showing you 4 basic ways you can make money on Delux. The number one is Delux movie clip, and the second one is stream and earn. The third way is raffle draw, and the fourth method is social media monetization, which is where you can monetize your TikTok account. That particular one is the same thing right there. If you come to TikTok pay, it's the same thing. So let me quickly show you the first one, which is how to earn through Delux movie clips, where you can come to watch video to get paid. So what you need to do is just to click on the Delux movie clip. You wait for it to load. This particular place is going to come up. As you can see right here, we have one video available for now. Know that today is 9th of April and Delux will be launched on 10th. So I'm making this video before the launch, before the official launching date. So what you need to do is just to tap on the video. You just tap on the video like this. So after you tap on the video, you allow the video to play. As you can see, this video is going to be playing for just 15 seconds. So after the 15 seconds, you are going to earn 400 naira. So let's allow the video to play. You see, so after the video might have played successfully, your earning has been added. As you can see here, rewarded successfully, refresh. So you just need to refresh your page. Let's go back. You can click here to cancel this particular place. Just click here, and you also click here to go back. So now let's refresh. As you can see right here, my earning has added. As you can see right here, my earning has added, which is this particular one. Then after that one is how to watch the movie. Note there will be more movie on the system. Then the second way is stream and earn, which is this particular one, where you just need to come here. You will see list of songs, you will see available songs, where you can just tap on the song to play the songs. So after you play the songs for a certain minute, you will be rewarded, just like the movie own. So that's how it works. And as at the time making this video, the songs is not yet available. Like I said, Delux will be officially live tomorrow. So as at the time that I'm making this video, the Delux music streaming is not yet available. So the another way to earn that I mentioned earlier is the raffle draw, where you can just come here. This one is just like a seasonal stuff. Okay, let's say this daily spin and win. You can just spin if you want to spin. And please, if you want to spin here, ensure to read this particular place. It says each spin costs 10 activities points, whether you win or you lose. Note, this one is just a game. This one is like a game. So we will advise you to abstain from it. But if you want to play it, you can just go ahead to play it, understand? But I don't want to do that. I will just need to go back. And the third method, which is the social media monetization, this is what I will be doing in my next video. Like, comment and share these videos to other people, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question or you have any difficulties, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section and I will respond to you.